Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach JavaFX search part. So let's open the file, new project, select JavaFX. Here you have to select third one, JavaFX XML. Click next. I am going to give the project name JavaFX search. Right. Click finish. Your project has been created successfully over here. Right. Now you go to the project. This is your project, right? Now first I am going to go to, you have to go to this your package. You have to expand the package. These three files are there: controller, XML. This is your Java file, right? Here is a main method is there, right? Okay, here your project is running. Now first I am going to go to make the design. So this fxml, double click on this one. It will be redirect to your scenes builder. Okay. Right. Here your scenes builder is open successfully. It is a default user interface. You will be able to see whether it's working or not. Here select the project, run. You will be able to check. Right, if it is working or not. If there is any problem, you will be able to check. If it is run successfully, then you will be make the design. Right, here it's working. Here it's working. Your scenes builder is working successfully. Now what I am going to do is here. This is the path of your main file, scenes builder. Right. So here, now here this your scenes builder. I am open it. Now I am going to make the design. Right. So this is the default one. Press the delete key on your keyboard and delete this default one. I have to make the size little bit bigger. Simply I am going to make it bigger size. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to drag the labels. So label, drag on label over here. This is a label. Right. So here I am going to change the name here, text account number. So here I am going to make the account number. This is the account number. Okay, label, right? So here I am going to do the search. If I enter the relevant account holder's number, the relevant balance should be displayed on the below text box, below label, right? So here we have to make the one, right? So this one, right? After that I am going to increase the font size little bit. Select the font size, this one here. It's loading. Okay, right. Now here we have to make the design. Right. Very simple, rather than compared to Java, very simple, right? Okay, you can give any font style. Okay, if you are like Arial, you will be able to see Arial. Anything yes, you can here, no problem, right? After that, I need one text field. So text field, you drag here. After that I need one button. It's a button. Okay. Now here this is simple user interface, right? I have created a simple user interface. You will be able to see the search, right? So here if you need a layer, here I am going to drag another label. Here I am going to type the heading of the search. Okay, so search, account balance search, account balance search. Okay, press enter key. This is the label. Right now here I am going to increase the size little bit like this. Okay, right. You take some time and do it. Then you will be able to make the good attractive user interface. Right. So here this one should be our teaching purpose, so that if I waste more time, it is so boring, so that I have to do some, so it's too boring, so that I have to do it fast, right? So you take some time and do it, you can get the attractive user interface. Okay, right. I can balance search. Okay, now you can see here it's an attractive user interface, right? Now I need a one label below, right? So here another label, I just drag and drop. So balance, we don't need this one. The same thing, I Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. The same font style and all the stuff you have copied, you have to do it like this. If you are drag another things, you have to make the style. It takes you waste your time. So that you are just copying here instead of the text field. I have drag one label for here. Balance should be displayed. It's attractive. Okay, label. I'm going to make the style little bit like this. I have to show the balance in big font, size big. So here font family I am going to select as Arial black, whatever, right? I just select as Arial black. If you change the color I am going to change the same red. Okay, you will be able to see the balance, right? This is very simple user interface I have created, very simple one. Okay, here very simple, right? Okay, so this one also we have to change it as a Arial black. Instead of that, Arial black, your narrow is there, Arial black, right? If it is not fit on in the screen, you have just expand the size, it will be get it. If it is not fit on the screen, right? This is simple design, right? Okay, here you will be able to change. If you want to change the font size, hold on the shift key down and select this both. I am going instead of Arial, if I give is a News Times Roman, News Times Roman. Yes, of News. This one. This also good font. Or so font is there. You have to give the beautiful fonts, then it will be attractive. Here this is something good, this account number balance, right? So here select these two things, you have to increase the size little bit bigger, so it will be work. It's simple. Okay, you can give this kind of style. Okay, you just search the font which is which you like, you just put it here, right? So okay, if I change and we have to see the look, it take too much time to complete this video. So let's go to the code part. So let's save all. First you have to make the save. After done the design, I have to get the code into my NetBeans. So go to the view part, show sample controller scale, and this one. So yeah, the code is nothing there. Why? What's the problem? The problem is this. Click on this one. I am going to make this one. Make the name. So code, this ID I am going to write txt account number AC number, mean account number, percentage it will apply. Here this one should be the button BTN search percentage. This is a label. We give the name LBL balance. So we have to write bal percentage. That's it, right? We have changed successfully. Button, click this find button. This find button on action click, we have to set it here any name. I am going to set here search. You can give any name. Press enter key, it will be applied. Now here instead of the button, you will be able to make as a key press event, key release event as well. You can set as a set it here, right? If you click on this text field here, all the events are there. Drag, mouse, click listener, here key press event, all the listeners are there. Okay, according to your purpose, you will be able to see give here. Okay, this is a simple one. It's there, right? Very simple one. You can make it. Okay, this is on click. You have to give on click only. I have set it as a button only. You will be able to set as a text field also. You can set it here. Okay, this is the same thing, right? After done the stuff, you make sure save. After the go to the view, here samples this one. Here you will be get to all the stuff. Okay, here all the stuff you are getting. I just this all the stuff I just copy. Control C to copy. Back to my NetBeans. FX XML document. This is a default one. I am going to remove it. This all the stuff. I just remove it. Keep this one. Okay, this keep as it is. Okay. Right here we have to paste it. what you are copying, right? This no, this is okay, not copy. Okay. Now here first what I am going to see, we have this button, all the stuff are there. You have to import this one, JavaFX control. It is coming here. If it is not there, what you are going to do is here, you just again go here, and this is your namespace. You just copy and paste it to above, right? Okay. Now it will be go right. Here this is the event of search event. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the database. I have created the database which is a VBank. Okay. So inside the database I have created the table called account. These are the columns which reside on the account table: ID, account number, balance. Okay. If you enter the relevant account number, the relevant account order's balance should be displayed on the below label. So how to do the task, right? So how to achieve this? So very simple. First what I am going to say, I have to attach the MySQL connector to our project, right? Okay. If you are establish a database connection, first you have to add the relevant library. So select the libraries for this your project. This is your source package. There will be another folder called libraries. Here I am going to add the MySQL connector. I already downloaded MySQL connector. How to download the MySQL connector and every stuff I already taught in my basic videos, right? I no need to taught again by again. It's so boring. I already taught this one. If you are not watch those videos, you just go to my channel and you have to study the basic swing application. I have explained clearly, right? So hold on the shift key down on, select both and open. Okay, it is successfully added to the library successfully. Now what I am going to do is here, first I am going to establish a database connection, that is must. So first I am going to go to here. First I am going to go to implement the namespace. So you have to write import java dot SQL. You have to write asterisk. Okay, if you make the asterisk, all the SQL classes are reside on this asterisk mark, right? So after that what I am going to do is here, you have to create the connection object. Connection con. After that create a prepare statement. Prepared statement. PST. We have to create the object of PST. Prepare statement object. Right. Now here prepared. What is wrong here? Right. Okay, prepare statement, what's wrong? Prepare statement, I just copy this one. Make sure this one has a prepare statement. Prepare statement, right. D missing, that's the problem, right? Prepare statement, right. Okay, now what I am going to say, we have to add the connection, we have create the connection object and prepare statement object. I am going to make the database connection very simply. I have already written this one, so this is the method I have already written. I have explained it. I just copy this one, paste it, right. So this is a catch. You have to write the exception. You have to ex dot print trace. What's the, if you have any mistake while you connecting, you will be able to see the error on the print trace. Okay, your console, the print trace will be indicate the error. What is the error occur while you connect the database. So this is the MySQL driver registration, com MySQL JDBC driver. After that you have to give the path of the database where your database reside on. Your database reside on localhost, which name is, what's the name? VBank. So you have to give the name here correctly, VBank, right? This is a user credential of MySQL. Root is a username, password is a blank, right? This is the thing you have to do. Oh, this is the problem is you have to close the bracket. Once you open the bracket, it is open here, it is closed here, right? This simple one. Okay. This connectivity, Control C to copy. When the program is run, it will be, this connection will be done. So this is the initial method, right? Here you have to call it here. You have to call it the connection method, initial method. This is simple stuff you have to do. This is simple stuff you have to do the Java FX, right? This is the connection does, okay? After search query, it is very simple. I already written, I will explain it. Feed copy, control V to paste here, right? Okay, there is no problem. There is no problem. I only one text field needed. We no need 3 or 4, right? Only the simple code, right? So here only we have to do stuff, right? So here first one is a ID, right? The ID, this is the text field. What's the text number you are typing? You have to make the text field is txt AC number. You have to put it here, right? Get okay. What is the account number you are typing? That particular text box, this text box. Which name is ACC number? We have given here. Okay, the name, all the names are there. TXT number, all the things. Okay, okay, it's there. It is assigned to this ID. After that, we have to write the prepare statement object. We have to write equal connection. We have to give the connection prepare statement. We have to write the select query. Right? How to write the select query? Select account number. You have to write account number only. We need that account number. You have to write the proper name. Then only you will be able to search proper number. Okay, account number from which table? Account table. So account table where ID. It's a where ID. What is ID? Sorry, balance. Sorry, not account number. Balance. It's a balance. I'm going to search on the balance now, not account number. Balance. Balance from account tab where account ID. Account number. Okay. Right. This is the things. Right. Account number. Okay. Write the name properly. Then only you will be able to find the balance. Right. Okay. Account number. Right. Balance from account table where account number. Right. Perfect. This is a question mark parameter. This ID, what's ID you are typing here? It is coming here. Right. Now it is not error. It asks to import the try and catch block. This one. This also we have to copy it. Control X cutoff. Paste inside the try catch. Okay. No need to write the try and catch. It automatically generated in NetBeans. Right. NetBeans Eclipse. You not type this one. Right. After that we have to create the result set object RS. You have to run this query, prepare statement dot execute means this query will be run and get the result. We have to check the result. If RS next equal true, if the record is there, we have to write the RS get string 1 means this is a 1, record is 1. Okay, is there 1. So what is the result coming in? It is assigned to the balance. You have to write this is a variable, you have to get balance. The balance, what is the balance are there? It is assigned to this variable. You have to call it this balance variable below. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This is the label name. Which name is, what is the label? Sorry, what is the label? LBL balance. You just copy this one. You have to paste it here. The balance is not there. We have to this one. We don't need this one. Right. Only we don't need this one. Right. So if the balance is there, we have to pass it the balance in this label. This is the thing we have to do. Very simple, right? Okay, the very simple part we have done. Okay, when you click the button. Okay, now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. Now here, select the project, run. It's working. Now let's check whether the balance account number this one. Copy. I just paste it over here. Find. What's the problem? Unknown column balance. Here you will be, when you get the error, you must run. You can read the error. Then only you, unknown column balance. What's the balance? Unknown column mean? Here BAL. So here I have wrote here wrong. B bal. Okay. This thing we have to do. So again, run and check. Yes, it here, man. Right here it's working perfectly well. Okay, now here again we have to copy this one. You have to enter the encode number A0003. You have to type it A003. Click find. Here it's working perfectly. A0006. You have to type A006. Okay, it's working perfectly well. Right? It's a very simple system. search part I have did in JavaFX. You must learn while you making the system. If you are get any error doubts, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching.